Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of Godzilla's birthday today, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a Godzilla surprise fold. Now, we've done a lot of these lately, but I thought it'd be fun to show you a cool one where I actually draw the 1954 Godzilla versus the 2021 Godzilla. And I owe a lot to Godzilla because he has brought a lot of success to my Artland channel. So I just want to say thank you and wish Godzilla a happy birthday. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper. And I want to begin by taking my paper and folding it in half like this. We're going to line up the corners, and we just want to give it a nice little fold like we're making a little birthday card. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half one more time. So I'm going to line up the corners and just give it a nice little crease in there. Now the reason I do this is so when I open it up, I actually have two lines that show me where to keep my drawing when I open it up. Now to start off with our picture, let's begin over here and let's start off with our 1954 Godzilla. So I'm going to begin right here, and we just want to start by making the eye. So I'm going to begin here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come back with a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down like this for the eyebrow. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to curve it up for a really big eye. Then inside of here, we're going to make another big curved line with a small curve here, and then we're going to just color this in. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. And then right here we'll make a line that's going to go up and down again. Next we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down for the front of the mouth. Right here we'll add a little curved line for the nostril. Now starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down. Then I'll draw another little line that's going to go up and down. And then one's going to slightly start to curve down. It's going to go down and have a little curve to it. And then we'll make another one that goes right off the paper here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come over. Then I'm going to draw another line that's going to go down, and we're going to come over here. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring it up here. We'll draw a little curved line here, and then one more right there. Now up here we want to add the ear. So to do that, let's just draw a little line that's going to go up, it's going to come down and then curve up a little bit. Then we'll add a little curved line and a line that goes up. Right here, underneath the eye, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down. And I'll make a little line that's going to curve up here. Then I'm going to draw another line that's just going to go up and down over here for some detail. We'll bring this line down a little farther. Now, starting over here, we want to make our 2021 Godzilla. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to kind of line up this eye, and we're just going to draw a line that goes down, and then we're going to bring it back and down with kind of like a check mark with a little hook on the end. Starting here, we'll draw a line that goes down and then it's going to come up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come back and then down here. We'll draw a little line off to the edge of our paper. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and then it's going to come down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we'll bring it over here. Next, we'll make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over, and we'll go up like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down and in, and then we'll go straight down here. Next, I'm going to add a little line that comes underneath here, and I'm going to add a little curved line that goes down. Then starting up here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then up for the little dorsal fin. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and up. We'll add a little curve at the top, and then we'll color in the rest. Now, once we have our two Godzillas drawn, then we want to open it up and fill in the inside. So let's begin with our Godzilla 1954. So I'm going to begin by just drawing this line down a little bit, and then I'll draw this line up a little bit. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to go down and up, and then it's going to curve back here. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it up and connect to here. I'll make a little line that just connects. Then for the teeth, I'm going to make kind of like a bigger fang in the front with a little smaller one. And then I'm just going to put some little kind of spaced out random teeth in here. We'll do the same thing at the bottom. We'll leave some bigger spaces in between each one of these teeth. And then starting here, we'll draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up and back for the tongue. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down, and then a little line that's going to come up for our Godzilla 2021. We're going to draw a line that's going to come back here. Then it's going to come down, and we're going to curve it up to here. We'll add a little line that curves down with a couple extra little lines. And then we also want to add a couple little lines back here on the eye. On this one, we're going to make just some sharp teeth all the way to the back, and a couple more on here too. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come out, and then back. Now, we want to add their atomic blast in the middle. So let's start with the new Godzilla. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we'll make another one that's going to come out here. And then even though the 1954 Godzilla, we never really saw an atomic blast, they did have some in the posters. So we're going to make this one a little bit more fiery. So we're going to make this one a little bit kind of pointier and bumpier. We'll do the same thing down here. And then when they meet in the middle, we're going to just kind of make these kind of like explosion shapes. So I'm going to make some more pointed curvier lines on the old Godzilla style, and I'm going to make some more zigzag style shapes on the newer Godzilla. And then we'll just kind of draw a little bit of a wavy line down. Now, on the 1954 Godzilla, I'm just going to add a little line underneath the eye. And then I'm going to add a little line right across the top of the head, just to show some detail. And I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit, and this line down. And I'm going to bring this line up a little bit, just to show a little bit more of the kind of like detail on how the original looked. And there you go, there is your drawing of 1954 Godzilla versus the 2021 Godzilla in honor of the 67 years that Godzilla has been around. So when we have it all folded up, we have the two Godzillas staring each other down, and then when we open it up, we have them shooting their blasts at each other. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.